on all the newest fall, like the burgundy suit, logo sweatshirts, the camel coat, and the Chelsea boot. We know you like to do it all in one go.
Sunny destinations. Book now at aircanada.com or contact your travel agent.
David wasn't much of a gourmet. He used to burn everything. But ever since he got his new beautiful kitchen from IKEA, he's turned into a real chefy chef. He loves to make crab flambé, and broccoli flambé, and fusilli flambé, and toast flambé. Oh, David, so fancy.
The IKEA Kitchen event is on now. Get up to 20% back on IKEA gift cards on all kitchen purchases until November 5th. Visit IKEA for details.
% rate reduction on lease and finance rates. For rates as low as 0.4% on select Lexus models. Plus, we'll reward you.
Find brand name fall fashions at rock bottom prices at the Grande Braderie de Mode Québécoise. The big fashion sale by Quebec designers is back October 18th to 21st at Balsacourt Market. Save up to 80% on past and current fall collections from Rucksack, Macage, Matinette, Judith and Charles, Nadia and Toto, and many others. Up to 80% off. There will also be a special clothes collection station for Le Chaînon. Find out more at braderiedemodequebecoise.com and add to Shala Production.
Eliminate what if, someday, and next year from your vocabulary. Now is the time to get behind the wheel of your dream car.
In 60 seconds.
Tonight on CTV News.
A look at a government-run pot shop. Journalists from around the world descend on St. Hubert Street. And in Magog, raw blurry on a savage fire that left many homeless and